Hello everybody! Welcome again to a new do-it-yourself at home nail art! Hello everybody! Yes, we are back with a new video. This is part 1. If you want to see part 2, how I make the actual nails with those charms that we are about to make, go and visit my other channel, because that video will be released really soon. So this is a booboosglitterglory video. We're gonna use Ruby for this month. Yes, of course. And I also gonna use my peridot for the month August. Whoop whoop, yeah. So we're gonna make my own charms today with those amazing, beautiful booboosglitterglory products. I'm also gonna use this beautiful unique U337 color. We're gonna make some cherries, some glitter cherries, and some sparkling cherry pie, baby. That's what we're gonna make. Okay, so to start off, I first gonna put out some of that gorgeous, beautiful booboosglitterglory ruby glitter, and then we go in with my resin. If you don't have resin, don't you worry, because you can also do that with acrylic or with gel, and the molds are easy to find just on Amazon or AliExpress, what you like the most, okay? So like you see, I only did a little bit resin in the cherry part itself, because for the leaves I want them green. So let's put a little bit more resin in the leaf part, just like that, a little drop. You don't want to fill it all the way up right now. I also gonna finishing up the cherry part with the rest of the resin, so all the glitter is nice and covered. And now let's use that beautiful booboosglitterglory peridot glitter in the leaves. So every time when you see me curing it, I'm curing it for 1 minute. Like I already was saying before, it's actually like gel that you use on the nails, but it's resin. You know what I mean? You also see my ambassador card there in the upper corner. Please don't be scared to use it, because it gives you a nice 15% discount on everything you buy with booboosglitterglory, okay? So let's peel my cherries out. Let's see if it works. Ooh, look how nice and thick they are looking. Ooh, yeah, baby. They're nice and juicy, and look how sparkly they are. Whoop, whoop. Yeah, I am so happy with the outcome of the cherries. Okay, now let's start to make the little cherry pie, shall we? So I'm using the U337 from Umik just to color up my resin. Like you're gonna see, I'm gonna put some resin with the Umik gel. We're gonna mix that all up until everything is nice and mixed up together. Just like that. And then we're gonna put some more resin and mix some more and cure it, okay? By the way, have you seen my other channel, guys? Yeah, I have great news. It seems that my comments are restored. Say what? Ooh. The sassy girl is so happy. So yeah, if you already are following me on my main channel, Sassy Fantasy, yeah, you can comment again, guys. So I think I'm gonna change up my, how do you say it, the type of videos. Ooh, let's see. Ooh, there is the pie crust. Oh my goodness, look at that. Okay, remember, let me remember me that I'm gonna explain you more about the channels, right? So I am showing here when I'm gonna file away, because I really want to try and make a realistic looking pie. So I want that little bit of crust that you still see on the back of the pie, you know what I mean? So that's why I'm not filing off everything on the top of there. And yeah, I'm basically gonna file the most of this cookie dough part, making it nice and thin, you know what I mean? Okay, so now about my channel. So my idea was, guys, let me know in the comments what you think about it. But I think on the channel that you're watching now, I think I only gonna place, like when I make little charms or other little craftings, to place it on this channel, and then the actually nail videos to place them on my Sassy Fantasy channel. You know what I mean? What do you think about this idea? Do you like it? And oh my god, look at that pie crust! Look at that. Yeah, I worked hard on that, let me tell you. Look how thin I was able to make it. So nice, right? Yeah, I'm really happy with the outcome from the two things that I make. Okay, let's use again my gypsum gel, because let me tell you guys, that gypsum stuff, it's amazing, okay? Look how realistic it's gonna look, okay? So I am using my white gypsum gel that I had from AliExpress to resemble, how do you say it in English? Whipped cream? Yes, that's it, whipped cream. By the way, my sister also told me that my pie at the end, that it's really looking like cheesecake that you have in America. I don't know, because we don't have it in Belgium. So yeah, she told me it really looks like cheesecake. So yeah, let me know if you think the same about it. So I'm filling up everything, every nook and cranny, so everything is nice and filled. And like you can see, I can put it on like quite thick. And it's cured amazingly. Yeah, let me tell you guys, I am really impressed with those gypsum gels. I promised you, you're gonna see more of them on my channel, so there you go, there you go. So yeah, I'm just putting it all on there, and now we're gonna make with those beautiful Boo Boo Glitter Glory crystals. By the way, these are real Swarovski ones. Yeah, these are gonna be my cherries on my cake. I thought it was like a nice touch, you know. So if you like those crystals, you can get them in the embellishment packs for each birthday month on Boo Boo's Glitter Glory. Of course, there is a lot more in those embellishment goodie bags than only those little crystals. You have like caviar beads, gold and silver, other gold and silver embellishments, point back crystals. Oh my god, there are so many in those goodie bags. So yeah, definitely go and check it out. And she also lowered the price of them. I think she lowered them with almost 50%. Say what? So yeah, what are you waiting for? Go and visit her web shop, use my discount code, and have a nice shopping spree, I would say. So yeah, like you can see, well, you don't really see it because I cut out a lot of it, but I just had like a really hard time to get my crystals to release of my pick me upper, because yeah, that gypsum gel, it's, how can I say it? It's really soft, you know what I mean? Like yeah, everything that you're gonna stick in them, it's gonna be sticking in the gypsum gel after you cure it. But you know what I mean? To let it release of your pick-me-upper, yeah, that's something else. You know what I mean? That's really something else. But hey, at the end of the road, I did it. I did it. You're gonna see it in a couple minutes. So yeah, like I already told you guys, I made this charms for a certain nail set that I'm planning to make. So if you want to see the nails I made to go with those charms, don't forget to go to my main channel, Sassy Fantasy Nails and Reviews, and to subscribe also to that channel, because otherwise you're gonna miss a lot of fun content over there, okay? So all my crystals are on there, we're gonna cure it, and bam! Look at that little pie! Isn't she cute? Oh my god, I think she came out perfect. I must say though, see, I like it the most how you see it right here. You're gonna see, yeah, right now I am trying to put some more whipped cream on the crust. I don't know how I feel about it. So yeah, let me know in the comments. What do you think about the whipped cream that I placed on the crust? Do you like the pie more without it or with the whipped cream on top? My personal preference, yeah, I think it was better without it. I don't know. So yeah, that's it guys. I made some beautiful cherries glittery cherries, with booboosglitterglory, with the ruby and the peridot, gypsum gel, and of course my resin. Don't forget, you can also use hard gel, poly gel. You can even use acrylic to make all kind of forms with those forms. So yeah, I really hope you like this video. Let me know what you think about it. And for now, I'm gonna leave you like I always do. Jij deze beertjes aan de bril. And stay sassy. Bye bye everybody. I love you all and I see you later. Don't forget to like the video and to subscribe on my channel. And psst, hey, don't forget to subscribe on my main channel as well. Okay, you can comment now. Okay, I see you all later, guys. Love you all. Bye bye.